Look at this unexpected storm. Oh. Oh, what the heck? This is more lightning. It's very crazy. And windy. It's windy as well. Not something you'd expect. Oh wow. That is a lot of wind. It's a lot of lightning though. And the wind is crazy, of course. Of course. Whoa. I didn't see that. But I saw the flash. Come on. There needs to be one that lights up the sky. There's so many of them. Weird thing is, it's barely even raining. There's just a few drops and that's all. I mean, there probably is rain somewhere else, like in those areas, the real storm, but whew, not here. Very crazy. What else? What about this way? See, it's much darker over there. And then here, it's a lot lighter. It's a real storm. Real storm is that way. And then there's no storm the other way. And there's the leaves blowing onto the pool. Leaves in the pool. How great. Oh, it dropped. Alright, well. Alright, well. I'm ending the video here. Very unexpected lightning. Yeah.